Guys, give me like, please. I just got 4. Give me like. Johnny, I should move you to California so you don't have to make live videos anymore. Seriously? Like na po. Salamat. Ayoko nga pumunta. Tapos na ako maligo. Ano gagawin ko sa CR? Hi, Arkin. Di ko maglo ka naman ko boyfriend. Ano maglo pa man ko? Ha? Don't need. There's a dance. If not you, it will be someone else. I love a woman with tattoos. Really? Oh, kinakain yan sa'yo. Yes, kinakain. Hi, Artin. I'm from Philippines, my dear. Thank you for coming. Hi, Mr. Omar. D-Mark. Ma, pwede isa pa po show mo, talampakan mo. Tapos, stretch mo mga daliri ng paa mo. It's hard. Nangangalay ako. Just nayaw. Thank you so much, Mr. Denmark. Tapos, napapa... sobra pa sa ungol. Kaya, gini niyo idea, alive close to the airport. Do you live close to the airport? Not so close, but a little bit close. Honey, can you stand up and turn around? Why? Daghan man yung request. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Hi, Jimmy. Oh, did you see something? Because show your back. Oh, I wanna see my back. Watch my try on haul videos there on a bikini. So wanna see my back. I'm not that sexy. Wait. Oh, that's my back.